Okay, welcome back. So if you're just joining us in this particular bit, this is the environment tab. There's environment tab video 1 and this is the environment tab video 2. And I just explained that what you can achieve with this are these 4 things here to add unlimited environment up to selecting specific environment, as you can see where my mouse is hovering. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to add environments. So behind the scene here, as you can see, what I've done, I've quickly loaded my on the left hand side. What you see here is Dataverse Dynamics 365, the settings section. How can you get there? Go to your Dynamics 365. You can copy this link and it will take you directly there. Or if you like to click, you click on settings here and you'll see settings. It's kind of looking different. Let me go to another tab. So let me just show you how to come to this bit here. So if you are in your Dynamics 365 like this, you click on settings here and you see admin center. That should take you to this bit where we see. So why would you need to come here? We need a particular thing, particular URL to be able to use our application. Where is our application? On the right hand side, as you can see, this is our application. And if you are wondering what we're going to do with this, we're simply going to use it to connect our application to your Dataverse using your environment. So as you can see here, I have 2 environments here. I'm just going to click on the first environment here. So the reason I'm clicking on that environment is to be able to generate, to kind of get the URL. As you can see, this is the environment URL specific to this environment. So I'm just going to highlight it, or I right click and copy the link address. So it's now in my clipboard. What I need to do now is to come into our application. I'm going to click on this particular button, which is let me make it bigger in case you're not seeing it bigger. Yeah, this is how big it is. Oh, fine. So you can see this is the button called add new environment. I click on it. This pop-up comes up. It's just telling me to give it a friendly name. I'm just going to say this is my dev environment. Just dev, simple and sweet. I'm going to click OK. The next pop-up will ask me what is the URL of the environment. As you can see, I've put it in the URL I picked up here. I'm going to click OK button.
Starting authentication for dev.
It now brings up this pop-up. As you can see, this is device code authentication. It's using MFA authentication. I just copy this code and now need to go to this URL. I'm highlighting it. I right click and I'll search. It comes to a new tab where I need to put the code in and now click next. If you're not signed into your Dataverse application, you need to sign into it and before you can get in. This is kind of a protection so every person can't get into your Dataverse, your Dynamics 365 admin center. Now, as you can see, I am connected. Can you see I'm connected here? I'm going to make this bigger. You can see I'm connected there. You see the sign connected. That means you are good to go. Now, before I go to the next bit here, if you can see, like I said, this is the admin section. So what are the tables inside it? As you can see, the next bit on my right hand side, I'm supposed to load the tables. The tables are right now 0. I'm just going to go into my environment to show you the number of tables I have. I'm using this tab now. I'm going to go back one step. I'm going to go to my solutions and I'm going to specifically, these are all my solutions that I have here, and the tables might just be, let's see, look at tables here. So as you can see, there's lots of tables, lots and lots of tables, and it could be overwhelming for you to go through them. I can't even get a real count from this particular section I'm in, but we're going to make it super simple today. So to get into our tables, I can see through the solutions bit here. I can click on one of them. This bit is 172. All right. And if I go to the next solutions there, if I click the solution, I can see also this solution has how many tables we have? 6 tables. So you can go on and on and on to see